I'll be done just singing this song. So wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse, follow your design.
Hey guys, welcome back to Blue's World. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can make your own journal. So let's begin. So first you need some notebooks. You can use any kind of notebook. Here I'm using 7 spiral. So the next step is you have to glue them together, 2 at a time, just like this. Then you have to glue all of them together so that you can make one thick journal. Then after gluing it, just leave it for some time so that it sticks better. The next step is you have to get your tape and start wrapping it on the covers of the spiral. Make sure you're doing it on both the sides. This is basically to secure your journal. Repeat the same process for all the covers of the spiral. Do it slowly guys, it requires patience and you have to be focused. Just like this. And here you go. So this is how our journal is finally looking like. I think it is perfect. Now for the next step, I am using this cute pretty lace. You can use any kind of cloth, any printed cloth, and just glue it. Like this. Now cut the extra part. Be careful guys. Now for the next part, I'm using this Confix cardboard box. You can use any. This is basically to make my journal look thick. Cut it according to the size of the spiral. And then you just have to paste it. Like this. Repeat the same process for the back side. This is how our journal is looking like now. For the next step, I am using this A4 sheet to cover my journal. You can also use brown paper. You can use any kind of sheet. I used this A4 sheet. Now this is my favorite part. You can use any color to paint. I'm using this cute yellow color. And this is looking super cute, especially with that off-white lace. And we are done. So now for the next step, I am using these super cute printouts and I wrote Blues Away Journal on it because I thought this will give a very nice finish to my journal. You can use any design, whatever you want to paste, like it depends on your choice. Now I'm using this tape because I messed up with that lace. So now just make sure that to cover up your journal from the inside also, you use any kind of design sheet. I used these month's name. You can also draw something, like if you have much time. And your journal is finally ready. This is looking so good. Now don't forget to write. This is my favorite time for writing. Like while having coffee, I do write. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Take care.